Pav bro said he got cooked by a $5 barber and asked me to save him. First, I give bro the blurriest fade. Now I start blending in his hairline. Now getting his line up crispy. Comment down below, what would you do if you got cooked by your barber? Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Now trimming the overhangs. Adding the black spray to his hairline, then lining him up. The first 6-7 people to say save gets a shout out. Now finally giving bro a goatee. Did I save bro's life with this cut?